Khoina hojik leizariba mafam ase Manipur Trade and Expo Center Lamboikhongnangkhong dani mamang chahi singdadi sol fangnadabagi awaba kaya ama mayamna mayoknakhi adubu handak chahigi nini chanba Fouba dadi sol ayamba hangduna leiba thengnari.
To make it little and then using it will become it full slim.
Actually, the different only for the crowd. The crowd is less this time, but I expect the people will come from tomorrow, maybe more crowd, but the sale is same. Sale is same. Same as last year, but the crowd is less.
Yeah, yesterday I opened in 50 rupees selling. Then so sad this time Sangai Festival.
Boycott tawbaje hoy amarom dawdi yaning ya do hoy boycott tawe hai gursu pham da ya da wagi haidi akhoi da mangjaba do adugi da unta
Mamang ki chahi singnadi Sangai Festival yengba lakpa mioi singna ticket kakna ba honabada awaba kaya mayoknakhi handaki chahi sidadi ticket counter asi khuntak lansikhibaga chap manare. Handak chahigi oinadi Sangai Festival yengba lakpa mioi singdagi police personnel gi masingna hena yamba thengnari. Leibaki irangna maram oiraga Sangai Festival yengba lakpa mi gi masing adumak nemli amaromda solfam liba mioi singi deposit hanjangadra hanjaloidra habasi achoba wahang ama oiri. Video journalist Naresh amadi Paudam Jaribi Elizabeth, Times of Manipur Trade and Expo Lamboikhongnangkhong.